Day 14, last full day, we're at Magic Kingdom. I mean, not Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom.
I just asked you if you know where we are.
Animal Kingdom. I'm getting my work. I knew where I was. I know where we are. But just I got words mixed up. Animal Kingdom. Mommy feels ill. She's got a headache and she feels sick. So we have a reservation today for Tusker House. Is this a buffet one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. So, yeah, we're going to meet Daisy. We haven't met her yet. So, there's other characters as well. So, yeah, I'm excited. And somebody was supposed to be going on to Everest today. And that's Mummy, but she doesn't feel very well, so. So yeah, we'll just see when we're in there. When we're in Tusker House.
We're in Tusker. Lexa's getting excited already, waiting for the characters. So we've got a nice bit of cooked breakfast. Lexa's got some, we've got the chocolate chips and some donut balls to share. Ruby's got a bit of hot breakfast as well this time. Stace isn't having anything yet. She's not ready yet. Who can you see? We'll let you know when they're here. Oh, she's waving now. You waving? Wave. Good girl. Good girl. Are you blowing kisses? Yay! Well done. Oh, look, picture. There we go. Well done. There we go. You're lovely. Do you want a picture? No. High five. Yay! Well done. Wave, bye-bye. Bye. Well done. Here she comes, look. Here she is. Go on then, down. Good girl. Lexa, come and stand over here. Stand next to Daisy then.
Want to get in there and I can take a picture of all of you? Yeah.
Yeah? Lexa gives it all large while the characters aren't here. As soon as the characters come in, she's absolutely quivering.
She loves sick sometimes, but doesn't all the time.
Well, she meant like it's silly. Like, but who doesn't want to be?
She loved Joy but didn't like Saturday. Very strange.
Yeah, because Joy was so like.
She loves Daisy.
I bet she'll like Minnie. And where's he gone? Yeah, but a cat is coming here.
Now we go. He's coming. Good girl. Lexa, look at mommy. Bye-bye.
Hug and a kiss. Mickey's gonna come back, okay? All right, so we can get Mickey. All right, ma'am.
Good girl. This is the food service area. Nice. Nice and themed. Hot food, pastries, fruits, cereals.
Bye, guys.
Bye. The Tree of Life. Across the bridge?
Yeah.
Amazing sculpture in that tree. You can see all of the oh. Everest. Welcome to the Himalayas. Let me know what the film is below in the comments. There's a quote from a movie. Disney movie. Come and hold this one then.
Guys, thumbs up if you love Expedition Everest. Thumbs up.
We're just about to fast pass the first ride of the day. Me and Ruby probably do it twice with rider swap.
I love doing this.
Everest. Lovely. Lovely. Everest twice on the rider swap. We hit the back seat on the first ride, and then the second time we went on, we got front row. So we'll snap in a couple of, well, I'll snap a little video of the view off the front row. When you get up to the top, when you're just looking over the edge, it's pretty high. It's definitely the best. It's a good ride. One of the best here. Well, there's only a few here anyway, but it's It's one of the best roller coasters that Disney's got to offer. So we've just done, we're just doing Rider Switch now on Dinosaur, the next Fast Pass. Ruby and Stacey are in there, me and Lex are waiting in the shop. Wait for them to finish. And then I'll be going on. This is one of Stacey's favourite rides. Like the little car simulator. So I can't actually remember what happens in this, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see when we go on. We are going to try and meet Mickey and Minnie and Pocahontas after we've finished with this Fast Pass, so that should be good. We're in Dinosaur. Ruby's scared of this ride apparently.
No, I'm not.
Carno.
Mommy was just joking. Mommy was just joking.
What's she? Tear it on there. Tear it on. We're off in.
That's cool. There you go.
Operation Room A.
Oh my goodness. Are you guys having a wild time? Hi, hello. That's Minnie. Minnie is, oh my goodness, Mickey thinks so silly. They're best friends, aren't they? Yes, like Mickey loves Minnie. You guys want to jump in a little more? Minnie is not Minnie. Daisy is a dino. Can you give me big wild smiles right over here?
Princess.
Big smiles, give me big cheese.
Princess.
Do my adults want to jump in?
Yes,
yeah,
please.
Go right ahead, friends.
We've just eaten in, what's it called, babe? Flame what?
Flame tree barbecue.
Flame Tree Barbecue at Animal Kingdom. If you like onion rings, decent onion rings here. Really nice.
Before we went in there,
So we've been and met Minnie and Mickey.
yeah.
Lexa enjoyed that again.
Yeah. A big hug.
Big hug. So we just had something to eat. We're now going to go and do our last Fast Pass, which is the, babe, this way, Kilimanjaro Safaris. Let's go.
Don't touch it.
It's quite hot again today. Oh, we did Dinosaur as well earlier, as you saw. The it's quite a bumpy ride, Dinosaur is. Yeah, that way. No, go that way actually. It's not as good as I thought it was going to be. I've forgotten what it was like. Right turn, babe. Yeah, I know, it's around, it's the other side of the tree, isn't it? So, let's go left.
Asia and then cut
Go this way, yeah, go this way. We'll just walk this way.
And then it's Pandora after that. You are gonna love apples.
This is the Minnie and Mickey Meet Adventures Outpost in Animal Kingdom.
which we've
Why
been
can't we
to.
talk?
50-minute wait for them to stand by.
50 minutes at the minute, yeah. We were waiting for around 35, I think.
It felt less, but I feel like when you... It says 25, but really, it doesn't feel
I think
like
the only reason we were waiting that much is because they were having a break, I think. I reckon.
Oh, and there was so many fast people. So many fast people.
Oh my goodness, drinking soda. That'd be the only engine option. Your PC's down.
They'll probably still have a VA option.
Yeah, I know. I was just waiting for them to go past. Oh, it smells nice.
I also think that when I get
Jumbo! That's where we got a nice view of the tree earlier. Right, let's go and get on the safari. So we're just on the way out of Animal Kingdom for the last time this holiday.
Last part.
We've just done It's Tough to Be a Bug. Alexa didn't like it, she was cuddled up to me for the full show. She weren't even, well, she weren't looking at the screen, she was just cuddled up to me, covering her face and hugging me with the other arm. That was quite.
Intense.
Yeah,
Especially
that's,
when you're on the front row though.
yeah, that's pretty, that cloud of smoke that blew over the top of us. Quite a big cloud of smoke.
The only thing is, I think it's tennis behind it.
Come up, yeah, they're above you.
Yeah, but when you're at the front, there's
You
no
can't see,
front.
yeah.
Oh, I didn't even realise that was happening to me.
Yeah, so It's Tough to Be a Bug. It's a nice little 7-minute show or something.
And then when you don't
Loads of
realise
effects.
when you don't realise it, and they say, just on you guys, when they say, please don't leave, let the police leave first. Under your seat you'll feel like you're
Yeah, there's a lot of effects in that. Smoke, there's your seat moves, water sprays. It's quite a good little
not seat moves, only the bump in the seat moves.
You get some bumpiness in your seat. It's nice. So we've got a mission, walk back to the car. When we get back to the car, quickly blast the aircon on, let it cool down while we stand outside.
We're on Dinosaur Birthing Island.
And then we're going to go back to the house. Get in the pool for an hour, I think. So we'll see you there. Good afternoon, everybody. So, time is it? 5:30, I think. Local. We've just arrived at Chili's. What is it? 1:15. Just arrived at Chili's. We've not been here before, so this is a first for us. Since we got back from Animal Kingdom, me and Ruby went in the pool. Stace and Lexa had a little nap, so they're a bit more refreshed now. Yeah, so we're just going to go in here, have a look what's on the menu, not been before. Yeah, we'll let you know what it is. Now it is when we get in there.
We went into the pool, by the way, guys.
Yeah, we told them.
Oh, good.
So see you in there. So it's a bit different in here. The table comes with, on each table they've got like a little iPad.
And me and Lexa like playing I like playing Toka Boca. I don't know if you guys
It does cost $2. But like this is the quietest that we've had Lexa. Well, not quietest.
She literally walked me into free, but I love you.
The happiest she's been at a dinner table for 2 weeks. Yeah, if she eats then it's going to be a bonus. It's quite nice in here. A couple of tallies up. The bars through the other side with some tallies.
If you guys don't know, so you can pick a food, like you can pick some meat, and then you can go over here and you can chop the meat like this, and then you can put it in the microwave or oven, whatever.
Very nice. So we've ordered. We're having a few different little bits and pieces tonight. So we're going to get some fajitas. We're going to get some little starters to come out all together, and we'll see how it is. Yeah. So we've had. Looks really nice. The food does. We've got fajita, steak and chicken fajita with some rice. Move your arm.
They're hot, leave them a minute.
Steak, chicken fajita with some rice. There's some just some dips and stuff for the fajita. And we've got some mini burgers, chicken wings, chicken dippers, and then some fries. Looks really nice. Oh, and some corn on the cob. We'll let you know how it was. Oh, could have tucking into a bit of chocolate.
Mommy's got Dunkin' Donuts. She's got a chocolate donut with.
So we've finished at Chili's. Food was really nice. On the way home, we've just called into Twisty Treats. What have you got? Do you want to show everybody? Lexa's got an M&M ice cream.
Yeah, I got
And Ruby's got an M&M ice cream.
It's good.
Mommy's got the chocolate.
Go and eat your ice cream. Good girl. So that's the end of today's day, unfortunately. We're going to just be preparing tonight now for the flight tomorrow, do a bit of shopping in the morning, and then we've got the flight tomorrow night, 7 o'clock, so as usual, Roo, get yourself ready.
Yep. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. Make sure to click on the notification bell to see our latest videos. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.